Welcome back. Hello class. Now it is our spot test of telling words on the basis of affixes. I will ask you. First, we are talking about prefix. You tell your name and speak two words. DIS. Pass. DI.
Disadvantage.
DIS. It was disadvantage, but I should to speak before. Will you speak another word for DIS?
Difficult.
DE.
Development.
Or
Defense.
you should speak such words where there is on morpheme. That is, independently morpheme can bear a meaning, and you are adding this affix to make another word with the morpheme. Okay, thank you. Mahima, you stood up before. Ready? Omni. OMNI.
Omnipotent, omnivorous,
Photo.
photosynthesis, photograph,
Thank you. Sit down. Okay, Siam. Extra.
Extraordinary, extra curriculum.
Geo.
Geography, geopharmacy.
Thank you. Sit down. Very good. Auto.
Autography, automobile.
IM.
Impact, importance,
Impossible. Thank you. Sit down. Next. Multi.
Multi-talented, multi-universe, multinational,
Post.
postmortem, post-graduation,
Thank you. Yes. Next one. Un. Even. Un.
Unnecessary.
Okay. Unhappy, unmarried, unnecessary. Next is TRI. There is one example here. This is TRI, tripod. And you speak on at least. Try. What is the English of tribhuj? Angle, triangle. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sit down. Next one. Next one. Yes. Jahid. BI. I. Pass. Bilateral, bimonthly, bilingual, auto.
Automobile, autograph,
And last is CO, co.
cooperative, cooperation,
Thank you. Sit down. Next. Inter.
Interlingual, interactive.
Kilo.
Kilometer, kilogram.
Miss.
Misfortune, misunderstanding.
Thank you. Next. Pre. 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 Very common.
position,
Preposition. Pre, not po. PRE. Pre.
prejudice,
Prejudice. Okay. Next. I am.
I am. Impact, immoral,
Okay. Sit down. Next. Iqbal. Hyper.
Hypertension, hyperbola.
IL. I double L.
I double L. Ill-mannered, ill judgment, ill fortune.
Ill judgment. Okay. Last for you. IR.
IR, irreversible, irresponsible.
Thank you. Sunny?
Retro.
Omni.
Omnipotent, omniscience,
Retro.
retrospective, retrograde.
Okay, thank you. Clap for everybody. Very good. Now we are getting other 3 minutes for preparing for suffix. Suffix. Very interesting, very small, but very important suffix. Dear class, now we are going to test telling words on the basis of particular suffix. I will ask you 2 suffixes and you have to speak 2 words within the time as short as possible. First one, please stand up. One stand up. Okay, Int'l. Okay. Very simple. SOME.
Bothersome, troublesome.
Okay, good. LESS.
Oh, LESS. Homeless, powerless,
Tell as many as possible.
careless,
And last for you, FY.
FY, beautified, solidified.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next one, please. SUPER.
These are SU,
We are now talking about
SUPER, supernatural, superman, superwoman.
this is prefix, but you should ask suffix. Okay, DOM. 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 Dom.
Freedom.
And help. Can you help?
Martyrdom.
Martyrdom. What? Simply wisdom.
Wisdom.
Yes. Hood. 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 Childhood.
Motherhood.
And you got help. Say definitely. Neighborhood. Okay. Manhood. Thank you. Sit down. Next one. Next one. Next one. ISM. Got start? ISM.
Nationalism.
Don't help. It is contest. He is also your contestant. Exam is going. Yes.
Communism.
Communism. IST.
Artist.
And
Novelist.
last for you. TY.
TY. Beautify.
TY. FY. Not FY.
Unity.
TY.
Certainty.
Piety, honesty, etc. should be. Thank you. Sit down. Next one. Next one. Wise.
Wise. Wisdom.
No, we are practicing now suffix. Wise.
Otherwise, knowledge wise.
Okay. Next is good. Good. IBE. BE.
Attractive.
And
Creative.
okay. Thank you. Very simple. ABLE. Able. BLE. That is BLE. No, able already I told you. You should tell another word. BLE. Then AGE. The first suffix, yes. AGE, age. Marriage and carriage. Okay, thank you. Next one. Jai, will you stand? Hood
Sir, childhood.
and
Childhood, motherhood. Keyhood, sir.
ISS. ISS. Ish. ISS.
I-S.
Ace.
Ace.
Yes.
Wish. Wish.
Not actually wish. Wish is morpheme. Wish is basic word. ISS. For example, gray, grayish, green, greenish, or full, foolish. Okay. Another one is like, like. Use like as suffix.
Likely.
What will be the English of bhuter moto? Ghost like. Shishur moto? Child like.
Sir, what is the meaning of cabbage like?
Cabbage meaning one vegetable, বাঁধাকপির মতো. Cabbage like. Yes. Sit down. Next. Champa. MONY. Money. Use money as suffix. Harmony. Don't help. Testimony. Next is SHIP. Ship. Use ship as affix. As suffix, yes.
Friendship,
And
partnership,
good. Sit down. After ORY.
advisory, তারপর হচ্ছে introductory,
Okay. URE. RE.
manicure, pedicure, pleasure,
URE. Okay. Pleasure. Okay. Lastly, TY.
infinity, certainty.
Good. Next. Mahima done or? Okay. Stand up. IST.
IST. Novelist, artist.
মৌলবাদের ইংলিশ কি?
Sir, communalist, maybe.
Communist.
Communist.
কমিউনালিস্ট হচ্ছে সাম্প্রদায়িক আর মৌলবাদী হচ্ছে ফান্ডামেন্টালিস্ট. লিস্ট, ফান্ডামেন্টাল এন্ড লিস্ট. ফান্ডামেন্টালিস্ট. Yes. You tell two words by using NT.
NT. Dependent, DNT. Independent, then occupant.
Or NT. NT.
So, comment, permanent.
Why not government? Important. Okay, NT. You can even say NT since NT govern independent. DNT. NT independent.
NT prefix one.
NT both prefix and both suffix. Some affixes may be prefix and may also be suffix.
What is the NT? MENT.
Yes. Thank you. Sit down. Next one. ICAL. ICAL. ICAL.
historical, political.
Help me 50%. I have to do it. ISE. SE.
Specialized and moralized.
Okay. Thank you. Sit down. Next, Samir. Samir will tell about ABLE. Then ISS.
I.
SS.
Foolish, childish.
Okay, thank you. Clap for everybody.
এই ক্লাব করুন।
Everybody done well. Thank you. Thank you. That is all about our suffixes. Now, very simple. We are going to make joint performance. Please, everybody, look at the lesson 1.3. That is drill. BEG, beg. Make word.
যেটা আমরা ছবি তুলে নিয়েছিলাম
Beg. বেগের সাথে কি যোগ করে কি কি ওয়ার্ড করা যেতে পারে? বেগার or
Come back or BAG.
বেগার, soft copy. You follow soft copy.